Welcome to 5-Minute Health Tips. In today's video, you will learn top 8 exercises to improve brain function. This video is for educational purposes only and does not replace a medical professional's advice. The brain is involved in everything we do and, like any other part of the body, it needs to be cared for. Exercising the brain to improve memory, focus, or daily functionality is a top priority for many people, especially as they get older. That said, people of all ages can benefit from incorporating a few simple brain exercises into their daily life, which improves brain function. Here are the top 8 exercises to improve brain health. Number 1. Jigsaw puzzles. Whether you're putting together a 1,000-piece image of the Eiffel Tower or joining 100 pieces to make Mickey Mouse, working on a jigsaw puzzle is an excellent way to strengthen your brain. Research has shown that doing jigsaw puzzles recruits multiple cognitive abilities and is a protective factor for visuospatial cognitive aging. In other words, when putting together a jigsaw puzzle, you have to look at different pieces and figure out where they fit within the larger picture. This can be a great way to challenge and exercise your brain. Number 2. Build your vocabulary. A rich vocabulary has a way of making you sound smart. But did you know you can also turn a quick vocab lesson into a stimulating brain game? Research shows that many more regions of the brain are involved in vocabulary tasks, particularly in areas that are important for visual and auditory processing. To test this theory, try this cognitive boosting activity. Keep a notebook with you when you read. Write down one unfamiliar word, then look up the definition. Try to use that word 5 times the next day. Number 3. Learn a new skill. Learning a new skill is not only fun and interesting, but it may also help strengthen the connections in your brain. Research from 2014 also shows that learning a new skill can help improve memory function in older adults. Is there something you've always wanted to learn how to do? Perhaps you'd like to know how to repair your car, use a particular software program, or ride a horse. You now have one more good reason to learn that new skill. Number 4. Teach a new skill to someone else. One of the best ways to expand your learning is to teach a skill to another person. After you learn a new skill, you need to practice it. Teaching it to someone else requires you to explain the concept and correct any mistakes you make. For example, learn to swing a golf club, then teach the steps to a friend. Number 5. Try your hand at cards. When's the last time you played a game of cards? Researchers who conducted a study in 2015 on mentally stimulating activities for adults say a quick card game can lead to greater brain volume in several regions of the brain. The same study also found that a game of cards could improve memory and thinking skills. Number 6. Listen to or play music. Do you want an easy way to increase your creative brain power? The answer may lie in turning on some music. According to a 2017 study, listening to happy tunes helps generate more innovative solutions compared to being in silence. Which means, cranking up some feel-good music can help boost your creative thinking and brain power. And if you want to learn how to play music, now is a great time to start because your brain is capable of learning new skills at any point in your life. That's why you're never too old to start playing an instrument like the piano, guitar, or even the drums. Number 7. Learn a new language. A 2012 review of research has overwhelmingly proven the many cognitive benefits of being able to speak more than one language. According to numerous studies, bilingualism can contribute to better memory, improved visual spatial skills, and higher levels of creativity. Being fluent in more than one language may also help you switch more easily between different tasks and delay the onset of age-related mental decline. Number 8. Take a new route. Don't get stuck in a rut when it comes to your daily tasks. Instead, be willing to try new ways to do the same things. Choose a different route to get to work each week or try a different mode of transport, like biking or using public transport instead of driving. Your brain can benefit from this simple change, and you might be surprised by how easy it is to change your thinking. Focusing on your brain health is one of the best things you can do to improve your concentration, focus, memory, and mental agility, no matter what age you are. By incorporating brain exercises into your everyday life, you'll get to challenge your mind, sharpen your cognitive skills, and possibly learn something new and enriching along the way. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for us, so you'll get notifications for our future uploads. All the best from the 5-Minute Health Tips team.